Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's make Brussels sprouts fry. Add oil. Keep the flame to medium. A quarter tsp urad dal or split black gram, cumin seeds or zira and mustard seeds. Chopped small-sized onion and few curry leaves. A quarter tsp turmeric. A half tsp salt. A quarter tsp hing or asafoetida optional. A quarter tsp ginger garlic paste. Add Brussels sprouts and fry them. When they have fried properly, add a half tsp chili powder, a half tsp coriander or cilantro powder, a sixth tsp salt, an eighth tsp pepper powder. Few coriander or cilantro leaves. Thanks for watching.